Hello everyone, welcome to Paper Pops. Today we'll learn how to make this beautiful paper lotus. And to make this we need 4 A4 size sheet paper, of which 3 is in pink color and 1 is in green. I did not have green, so I took yellow. We'll cut the A4 size sheet into 4 strips of 20 into 7.5 centimeter approximate measurements, and we'll fold it into half lengthwise, and we'll fold the corners of the rectangle inwards and press it down properly. And then now we'll fold from the top portion inwards and we'll press it down properly. Okay, now we'll flip the paper and repeat the same on the other side also by folding the corners. And after folding the corners we'll fold the top part downwards. Press it down properly after folding, and now we'll open it from the edges, and now we'll need about 16 of these, out of which 12 is in pink color and 4 is in yellow color or green color. Okay. Okay, now we have to arrange this into groups of 4, that is 3 pink and 1 of yellow. While arranging it, be careful that the flaps are not overlapping, because if they overlap in the end you will face difficulty. So without overlapping, stack them and fold them to the center and press it down properly. If you can keep them inside a book or so for a few minutes, it would be better. Now we'll take the 4 sets and arrange them together. We'll group them together, and with the help of a rubber band we'll tie in the center. Make sure it's at the proper center, or after tying, shift the rubber band towards the center. Okay, now we'll bring the edges of each together so that we'll fold them. Also, while folding them, it will be a thick set of paper, so make sure you are pressing it properly. Otherwise, again, you won't get the proper arrangement of the flower. We've got 4 sets. All the 4 sets should be folded into half after placing the rubber band, and press it properly and arrange it in that uniform flower manner. And now we'll flip it so that the green or yellow part is underneath. Now we are going to separate each layer. We are going to do it layer by layer. We've got 3 layers of pink and 1 yellow. So first we are going to take the tip, pick the tip of the pink paper and press down on the middle so that it will be folded upwards like I've shown in the video. We'll do that on all the 8 petals. We're making petals out of this by folding in this way. After doing one layer, we'll start folding the next layer so that we can form a second layer of petals. Now we are doing the last layer of petals, that's the third layer of the pink colored paper. We've completed the pink color petals. Now onto the leaves. When we are doing the folding the leaves, make sure to press on towards the edge of the petals so that it will be a little bit farther from the flower, so that we'll get a very nice arrangement of the lotus flower and a leaf. So we have completed it. The most difficult part is folding the petals and the leaves into a proper way. Otherwise it's easy, but once you do it once or twice, you'll get the hang of it. So this is our final product, the lotus which we made. It looks pretty good. So, and that's a wrap. If you liked this video, please do like it, subscribe to my channel, and write down your comments below. Thank you.